Get ready for an exciting upgrade. The Gemini Home Voice Assistant, a game-changer in the world of smart speakers, is now available for early access. This is a huge step forward from the days when virtual helpers like Alexa and Siri seemed to be stuck in neutral. With generative AI, smart speakers are finally living up to their potential. But here's where it gets controversial. Google's Gemini for Home is now live, and it's time to explore its capabilities. Keep in mind, this is an early access program, so expect some bumps along the way. Generative AI is powerful, but it's not perfect, and Google wants your feedback to improve it. So, let's dive into the details. First, check if your speaker model is compatible. The full Gemini for Home experience is available on the Google Nest Hub, 2nd Gen, Google Nest Audio, Google Nest Mini, 2nd Gen, and Google Nest Hub Maximum. These models support Gemini Live, which allows for natural, conversational chats. Other models, like the Google Nest Wi-Fi Point, Google Nest Hub, 1st Gen, and Google Home devices, support most features but not Gemini Live. And here's a crucial point: once you upgrade, there's no going back to Google Assistant on these devices. So, think twice before taking the plunge. Now, let's talk about how to sign up. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device and head to your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Then, navigate to Home Settings or Early Access. You've just requested early access. The wait might be a bit longer than expected, but once you're in, you'll see a notification introducing Gemini for Home. Follow the prompts, and all compatible speakers in your home will be upgraded to Google's advanced AI assistant. Gemini Live, the conversational feature, requires a Google Home Premium subscription. The standard plan costs $10 per month or $100 per year, while the advanced tier doubles that. The main difference is the camera history search feature, so choose wisely based on your needs. Google has provided some fun examples to get you started. Ask about basketball legends, dietary needs, or complex topics like Wi-Fi. Gemini is getting smarter, and it's an exciting journey to be a part of. So, are you ready to explore the future of smart speakers? What do you think about Gemini's capabilities? Let's discuss in the comments.